To open an account with CentralFX, you will need to go to www.centralfx.co.uk. On the home page, there is a Login Register button in the top right. Initially, you will be required to state your first name, surname and email address before creating a password. After this, you will need to specify whether you are looking to open a business or personal account. In the Business Accounts section, you are able to auto-populate your information by filling in your company name or company number and pressing Get Business Details. If you are not able to do this, you will need to fill out the requested details manually. In the Primary Contact section, there will be some additional information for you to fill in. For example, your date of birth and contact information. Subsequently, you will be able to add any subcontacts to your account. You will then be required to provide information on your currency requirements. After the account opening form has been completed, you will be sent an email verification link. Should additional documentation be required, someone from CentralFX will be in touch by email or telephone. Adding a new user is simple. From the home page, select the Manage Account option in the bottom left of your screen. Click the Add New User button at the top of the page. You will then be asked to fill in the personal information of the user you are adding. It will be down to you to ensure that all of this information is accurate. Once this information has been submitted, an email will be sent to the new user asking them to verify their email and set up their password. To add a new beneficiary, there will be an option to Add Beneficiary in the menu on the left of your screen. You will then need to select the category of the recipient, the nation in which the recipient's bank account is based, and the currency. It is imperative that the country is correct, as it may change what information is required for the payment to be actioned successfully. After this, you will need to enter your password. Please then fill in the information requested. If an IBAN is requested, we advise that you use the Validate button. If an IBAN is not required, please fill in all of the information accurately and click Next. Enter the verification code and the beneficiary will be added to your account. To exchange existing currency from the home screen, please select Exchange Currency, which will be the second option on the left-hand side of your screen. On the Purchase Currency screen, you will first need to select the currency you intend to sell and the currency you intend to buy. Please then specify the amount you intend to either buy or sell and attribute the required currency to it. You will then need to select how many payments will be made out of this currency purchase and the payment destination. If you are paying to multiple destinations, please select the Multiple Destinations option. By clicking Get Rate, you will then be able to see the rate you are achieving for the transaction and the total cost. You can accept the price by confirming you agree to our terms and conditions, and by clicking Next, you will have enacted the transaction. A confirmation will then appear. From here, you will be given the option to action a payment. For a breakdown of how to make payments, please watch the Make a Payment video. Although there are many different ways in which you are able to action a payment, the simplest way is from the home screen. The first step is to click Make a Payment on the left-hand side of your screen. You will then be required to select the currency you would like to make the payment in, for example, US dollars, before indicating the amount you need paying out and the date you require the payment to be actioned. You will then need to assign a beneficiary to the payment. If the beneficiary is pre-existing, it will appear on your screen. If the beneficiary has not yet been added to your account, there is an option to add a new beneficiary in the top right of the screen. Once the beneficiary has been assigned to the payment, you will need to allocate the payment to be taken off one or multiple deals on your account. After processing this, you will then receive a verification code that will need to be entered for the payment to be submitted to Central FX.